Hello friends! Today we are going to learn some fun action words in English. Are you ready? Let's go! He is napping.
He is napping.
Nap.
Nap.
She is riding.
She is writing.
Right.
Right.
He is planting a tree.
He is planting a tree.
Plant.
Plant.
She is stretching.
She is stretching.
Stretch.
Stretch.
He is running.
He is running.
Run.
Run.
She is sleeping in bed.
She is sleeping in bed.
Sleep.
Sleep.
She is watching TV.
She is watching TV.
Watch.
Watch.
Awesome. Let's say them again. Nap. Right. Plants. Stretch. Run. Sleep. Watch. You're doing great.